Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to be in a group on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! In this world of social media, platforms such as Facebook constantly introduce features that allow users to improve their online interactions. One such feature is the option to pin a Facebook group, an idea that might spark question for those aiming to change their group experience. Pinning a group on Facebook means placing a particular group at the top of your list for easier access. When you pin a group, its icon and updates will show prominently at the start of the group list. This makes it convenient to reach the group's content without scrolling through a long list. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can tap on group. You can go to your groups. Now, I've made a peanut group before. You can manage your group. You can pin the group that you want to pin by tap on edit here. Now you can choose group that you want you to pin. I would choose this group as an example. You can also pin more than one group. And I think I will choose this. Now we can go back, you can refresh the page, and here's all the groups that you've pinned. So that is how to pin a group on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!